Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this Tamper mat I got for my coffee machine routine. It is fantastic. Let me show you how I use it and why I love it. The design of this beautiful Tamper mat has really made my coffee making experience more enjoyable. Previously, I had to rest it on the counter without any cushioning or a special curve to put the group head in. Right now, it sits in quite snugly and it allows me to tamp down quite an appropriate amount of pressure without worrying about denting the wood that I am leaning onto. This also allows me to protect my group head from any damage. I like that it has an additional section for you to place your coffee cup just to avoid any heat marks on the counter and keep everything safe. So I love the quality on this. It is a beautiful, really nice silicone. Love that I can keep my tamper in place and not have to worry about trying to find it in the morning. Let's face it, before coffee, things are hard to find. So keeps everything neat and tidy. It's easy to remove and quickly wash if you do get it dirty. So I love it. I think it's fantastic, but that's just my point of view.